How to delete general channel in Slack. So to start, we'll have to open our Slack account. To do that, you can either open your browser or simply open Slack application. Once you're on your account, select the channel that you want to delete. So as an example, I'm gonna select this channel, and then in here, tap on the channel name, and then in here, we'll have to go to settings. And as you can see here, there is an option for us to delete this channel. But if we want to delete our general channel, all we need to do is to select our general channel, tap on the name of our channel, and then in here tap on settings. So in here, as you can see, we don't have an option for us to delete our general channel. So what we need to do is to go on the members option, and then in here it will show us all the members we have on this channel. What we need to do is to remove the members for us to delete our general channel. But unfortunately, there is no remove option here. So what we're going to do is to simply open a different channel, tap again on the channel name, and then tap on the members option. So in here, you can now see this remove option. All you need to do is to tap on this one and then tap on remove. After that, you'll have to remove all the members of the channel. Once we're done, we'll have to go back on our general channel, tap again on the channel name, and then tap on settings. So in here, you are now supposed to see a delete option to completely delete our general channel. But I still don't have that option since I did not delete all the members for this channel. So that's how easy we can delete general channel in Slack. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!